Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing. So this is a monthly subscription filled with snacks. It's a little card that came inside. And the first thing I'm pulling out are Incredipuffs. I don't know how to say this, if it's elote, but we recently went on vacation. A Mexican restaurant was selling these and they look so good. They're like corn on the cob with like mayonnaise and like different lime and different seasonings. So I guess this is a puff form of that. So that's pretty interesting. Never seen that before, but kind of ironic that I just ate that in real life about 2 weeks ago. Next up we have Cracklin' Kamut. This is ancient grains and they're just flavored with sea salt. Also have some Bakery on Main grain-free chocolate granola. Has MCT oil in it. Keto and paleo certified, so there's no sugar in it. Looks pretty yummy. Next I have some protein puffs from Iwan Organics. Haven't heard of that brand before. Always happy to try out new snacks though, that's why I love this box. We have a little mini Kind bar. This is peanut butter dark chocolate. That sounds really good. Then we have a Fruit to Go by Sunripe. This is just a fruit strip, and this is the apple wildberry. So these are pretty good. The kids like those. And two more items from Boulder Canyon. This is classic sea salt kettle cooked chips. Gluten-free. Looks pretty yummy. And lastly, Biscoff. This is Europe's favorite cookie with coffee. Yum, yum, yum. So that is what I got. If you guys are interested, I'll put a link below if you want to join. This is one of my favorite subscriptions. There's always like super yummy food in here. I think it's all organic. A lot of it labeled, you know, keto or non-GMO. They're all like super healthier type snacks. So if you guys are interested, I also have a playlist. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.